In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a vapor canister purge valve solenoid on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located under the intake on the top of the motor. Let's get started. Using a T15 bit, we're going to remove the 2 screws for the intake. Do the same thing on the other side. Pull the intake back off of the plastic trim. Using a pair of pliers, pinch the clamp and pull it down. Remove the intake boot off the intake. We're going to grab either side of our intake and pull straight up. And remove the intake. Using a flat blade, we're going to open this clamp up. I'm just wiggling side to side, opening the crimp. Get it nice and loose. I'm going to pop the hose out of that clamp, pull straight back. You have to break the tension on the hose in between the plastic. Remove the hose. This picks straight up off of that plastic trim. We have a push button on our connector right here. I'm going to push the connector in, push down on the button, pull straight back, and remove the connector. Using a pair of pliers, pinch the clamp, pull it back on the hose. I grabbed the hose and broke the tension between the plastic. And remove the hose off of the purge valve. Install the hose onto the purge valve. Get it fully seated. Pinch the clamp, pull it back into place. Install the connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Install the hose onto the purge valve. Get it fully seated. Install the hose into the clamp and install the purge valve onto the plastic tab. Using a pair of clamp pliers, we're going to pinch that clamp and tighten it back down. Give it a pull. Make sure that the hose doesn't move and you have a good seal. Install the intake into place. Push down on the 4 rubber grommets in the corners and lock them into their posts. Install the boot onto the intake. Be sure that it's fully installed. Pinch the clamp and pull it over. Install the intake trim into the front air dam. Get the screws started on either side. Snug the bolts down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.